currently on vacation, and this particular week I saved it for this vacation because you see, anything that's going to stress me, anything that's going to come and make me start tinting, plugging, come and start doing serious cutting or anything, I said this trip is just for relaxation. Anything that's going to stress me, I dropped it at home in Lagos. I came here with this wig specially saved for this occasion because I don't want anything that will stress me. So it's not magic, it is not. It is Wear&Go by ISEE. Wear&Go by ISEE. Wear&Go by ISEE. You see that let's go situation. That's let's go and you're still tonguing your hair. Let's go and you're still straightening your hair. Let's go and you're still tinting and trying to bleach your frontal. Let's go and you're still hot combing and trying to like press down and flatten your frontal or your closure. ISEE has helped us. We're not about that kind of stress right now. We are in an era of, oh my, get ready, give me 2 minutes. That is the era we're in. It's not give me 2 hours again. All thanks to ISEE. Guys, do not go anywhere. Please watch this video, okay? This packaging is the bomb. When I say bomb, I mean luxury, designer, princess treatment only. Bomb. And the extra goodies that comes with this wig, I'm not sure you guys are ready for it. I'm also more concerned about what's in the box. It's not just about the packaging for me, because I want to give you guys the best. It's not just about the packaging and what's like the goodies that comes with the packaging or in the package. It's also the contents of this package, which I'm sure you guys have already seen on my thumbnail and also in this intro video. So let's get to it. Guys, here is the wig straight out of the box, but you know that my head is small. Oh my god, my head is so small, and I need to use that elastic grip to hold this hair tight on my hair. So that's what I'm just going to do now. Okay, thank god for this adjustable strap. So if not, guys, I forgot to show you, this is actually detachable, so you can take it out if you want to. It's the first time I'm working with ISEE, and I'm very impressed with this hair. This is the new, improved, upgraded wig. And as you can see, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut just for me. Wear&Go. This is the real definition of Wear&Go. And you can see that, in short, I'm just going to try and blend this more on my skin, even if I can wear this like this and go without any issue. But I'm going to use my foundation and just try and blend it out to my skin. Can you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? I see hair. You guys, you know your work. You know it. Hands down. You're saving lives if you don't know. I mean, imagine that you have like an important outing and you need to like get ready and out in the sec. This is the best wig I would recommend. They've done all the work for you. You can see. This looks very okay to me. So I'm just going to straighten it. Guys, my selling point for this hair is the fact that it's glueless, no tints, absolutely no tints, no coloring or anything, and also the fact that it's flat and I don't have to do so much on the hair. You can see the strands of the hair knots pre-bleached already, and the strands making it look very natural. I'll give this wig a 100/10, honestly, because it's more like everything has been done for me just for me to wear and go. And who doesn't like convenience? I don't say it, that'll stress me. I do not want. And ISEE hair is here to stay. They're not going anywhere. In short, I've grabbed them, I put them under my armpits. The hair is going nowhere. A lot of times I get and I see on YouTube where people complain that most hair brands send better hairs and more quality hairs to like influencers, but I don't think it's the case with ISEE hair, because we had that conversation. You know, when I'm bringing something to you, it has to be something that would benefit you. I can't just send anyhow thing to my people. Do you understand? Because of how much I love you guys, because of how much you guys mean to me, I can't drop anyhow brand for you. And they've assured me and promised to deliver the exact hair, this exact hair you're seeing now. So when you place your order for this hair, guys, the details on this hair is in my description box below. I get messages asking about my hairs and how you can shop. Details on every hair or this particular hair is in my description box, so please check. But in case, you can still ask me in the comment section and I would respond. It's not an issue, okay, because I want to give you guys the best. So this is a 24 inches straight wig. In short, I don't think this is more than 24 because the length is long. This hair is long and it's super lightweight, very no shredding. At one single shred I did not see out of this hair. I don't want hair that you buy, then by the time you wear it once, the next time you're putting a comb in it, half of the hair is gone. No, I would not bring that to you. And they've also promised that in case you buy or you shop any of their hairs or this particular wig and you do not like it, you're not impressed with their services, you're not impressed with the hair you got, you have 30 days to return the hair. You're not paying for shipping. They will cover the shipping cost, every single thing, because customer satisfaction is what, in short, that's their main purpose, for their customers to be stress-free, satisfied and good to go. And that is the only brand I can work with, you know, stress-free for my people and myself. Okay guys, so if you want to shop this hair, details on this hair is in the description box like I said earlier. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me get back to enjoying my vacation and I'll see you guys later. Bye.